Hello everyone! Welcome back to a new video. Today I'm showing you two simple and mouth-watering summer drinks recipes to keep us refreshed during those hot summer days. Let's get to the video. For the first recipe, you will be needing 4 lemons, sugar, water, and dried lavender flowers. For the lavender syrup, in a saucepan, combine the sugar, water, and the dried lavender flowers. Bring to a boil. Reduce the heat and simmer for 3 minutes or until the liquid is syrupy. Let the syrup cool, then strain it in through a fine sieve. You may discard the lavender. For the actual lemonade, pour the water and the sugar in another saucepan, then bring them to a boil. Remove from the heat and leave it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. Want to get more lemon juice? Here's the tip. Roll your lemons. This way you will get way more juice. Once your lemons are rolled, you may start cutting them in half. Ask an adult for help if needed. Once that's done, you may start pressing your lemons. Once 4 hours has passed, pour your lemon base in a jar. Once it's done, add the fresh lemon juice and the lavender syrup. Mix well, pour it into your favorite glasses and serve with a few ice cubes. In this next recipe, you will only be needing 3 ingredients: sugar, milk of choice, and strawberries. First, cut off the tail of the strawberries. Save a few on the side for later. You may want to mash by hand or with a blender. Cut them if needed for them to fit in the blender. Once they're all mashed, add the sugar and put it aside. Take your leftover strawberries and cut them in the smallest pieces possible. Again, ask an adult for help if needed. Then all that's left to do is to assemble your delicious beverage. Put the strawberry puree at the bottom. Then add on top of it the milk of your choice. I personally chose oat milk since it's my favorite and adds a soft sweetness to the mix. Lastly, add your cut strawberries on top of it all. Add some ice cubes if wanted and serve. Before consuming, don't forget to mix it all to obtain a pretty pink milk color. Last but not least, enjoy! So you guys, that was all for my video today. I hope you enjoyed. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye!